Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble in Fisch. First, locate the Insert menu within your Fisch interface. From there, select the Bubble Element option. A new, empty bubble will instantly appear on your canvas. You can then drag and drop it to your desired position. This initial step is quick, taking only a few seconds to get your first bubble ready for customization and content. It's a straightforward process. Now that you have your bubble, let's make it unique. Access the Properties panel, usually on the right, to change its size and color. You can choose from a palette of over 20 colors. Double-click the bubble to add your text, keeping messages concise, perhaps under 150 characters. Fine-tune its placement by dragging or inputting specific X and Y coordinates for perfect alignment. Beyond static display, bubbles can be highly interactive. You can link a bubble to an external website or another page within your project. Simply select the bubble and choose the link option from the context menu. Configure its click action to open a new window or trigger a specific event. For complex layouts, group several bubbles to move and style them as one unit, saving you valuable time. To maximize the impact of your bubbles, follow a few best practices. Keep the text within each bubble concise, aiming for fewer than 25 words to maintain clarity and readability. Always use contrasting colors so your bubbles are easily visible against any background. Finally, remember to save your project frequently, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to avoid losing any of your hard work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.